Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the daily La Liga challenge in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's changed, it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So right now I made this video is for new player or for the beginner who are new into this game, and how you can challenge yourself in daily challenge mode. So let's get started by tapping play button, and as you can see there are three options here: tournament, division, rivals, and live event. Go to live events and tap the challenge mode. This one, there are three challenge mode here. You can try this daily La Liga challenge. There are 4 rounds here, and you get gem per each round. And let's get back first. There are some conditions here that you have to play, like this. Required team OVR is between 70 until 120, and swap at least 3 La Liga players in your lineup. So you have 3 La Liga players you can buy in the store or in the market if you do not have the players. So there are skill game, match, skill game, and the last one in the final it's PvP match. And also you have to, this is the challenge info. You can read, you can learn how it works. And also this is a withdrawal with no rewards. Elimination, of course, round 1 is no rewards, and champion you can get all the rewards. So challenge yourself in La Liga daily challenge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.